Hello everyone, I'm Barney and I work on the tray counter at Fast Key Services. Now, does your car key have a cracked casing? Maybe some of the rubber buttons have gone missing? Or even some of the tiny little micro switches have fallen off from the inside perhaps? Well, before you think it's time to replace the whole key, there is a chance that we can repair it for you. So in this video, we're going to show you the step-by-step process of what you should do to have your car key repaired by us. Firstly, prepare a cover note. Now, it is important that you include the following details: your name, your contact number, your return postage address, your car's registration number. This will only be used for part checks and will not be distributed to any third party, and details of the fault with your key. You should also include a mobile number and an email address as other points of contact, but also to be used for delivery tracking purposes. Next, send us your car key with the notes to us. We'll put our address in the video description so it's easy to read there. Now, we strongly recommend that the key is sent to us by a recorded or tracked delivery service. You must also use a padded envelope to send it in, so your key will arrive to us safely and securely. Once we have received your key, we will then analyse the damage and then contact you to discuss what repairs need to be carried out. We will also break down the costs so you can see what you're going to be paying for. Now, repairs can include the following things: key blades, remote casings, micro switches, rubber buttons, batteries, whether they're swappable or rechargeable, and resyncing instructions if applicable. Should you wish to go ahead with the repair, we'll carry out the work and we'll contact you again to take payment. Once this is done, your freshly repaired car key will be sent to you by a next working day delivery service. For more information, visit our website at fastkeys.co.uk/car keys repairs. That's fastkeys.co.uk/car-keys-repairs, or click the link in the video description. You can also call us on 01268 562 592 and you can speak to one of our tray counter members of staff there. I hope you found this video very informative and very useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.